Okay, so what I have here is the tiny REPELLER S, and I got two of them over here, one in green and one in blue. And these things are like a must-have to carry with you in the outdoors if you don't like getting bit by mosquitoes, or I don't like spraying mosquito repellent like on my skin. I don't like the feeling, the stickiness that leaves. So this is actually perfect because it has these repellent mats that you stick in here. It heats up, and this is what becomes the mosquito repellent. Another thing that I also love about this is that it's also a light. So it has 3 modes, or I believe it's 4 modes, and it's a little camp light, and you can just clip it on you and be bug free. I've been testing these now for 2 weeks, and I could say that the first week I tested it, I haven't been bit, and I'm on the 2nd week now, and I haven't been bit. Having these with the mats in here, mosquito repellent refills, put them in, just open the pack up, and they come in these little mats, and I'm gonna put these in. That is 1, and then 2, and we're gonna turn this on now. And to get this heated up quickly, I'm just gonna press it twice. So there's the first mode, 2nd, and 3rd. I'm gonna put this on the highest mode right now, and I got mosquitoes flying around me right now, so let's let this warm up and see if these mosquitoes fly away. I'm gonna give it, let's say, like 5 minutes, and let's have these things get work. Let's go through the modes on here. You have the repellent mode button. You click it, that's the first mode with the green light, and that's the camping mode, and that provides a 10-foot zone protection for 20 hours. Now if you go to the next mode, that's the outdoor mode, and that extends protection to a 20-foot zone, and that would last for 10 hours. Now if you go again to the next mode, you're gonna have super mode, and that offers an expansive 40-foot zone protection for 5 hours. So additionally, you have the lighting mode. You can see it right there. Press that. That's the first mode, and on this first mode, that's 50 lumens, and you can have this lighting your campsite for 40 hours, or up to 40 hours on the first mode. And you got the other brightnesses here. This is one of my favorite things, even without this the mosquito repellent, just to have a light at night to light up your whole campsite, other than a flashlight. Like, this provides nice lighting. So these are fairly priced, and if you go onto their website, I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my code and get 15% off. I don't put things on my channel that I wouldn't use myself, but I think that these are the new must-have if you like spending time outdoors. Really cool little light. I had a clip right here, and you can see that we are using it on a path, riding the bikes, and it was totally pitch black, and this provided us with a nice light so that we can see everything around us. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's a little red light. That's like the heating element. I think that's heating up these pads, and it's gonna release the chemical. So if you're only gonna use these for a short period of time, you can take them out and put them in a Ziploc bag, and that should save it for the next time you want to. The mosquito repellent mat refills, they're also available on the FLEXTAIL website. Active ingredient in here is D-altherin, and that's 21.97%. You get a quantity of 10 pieces that come with it. You can order more on their website, and I believe you can also order more of these I think on Amazon you can find different kinds, so they're readily available just in case you run out. A couple things to note on this: it does have a threaded 1/4 inch threaded hole, so you can put this on a tripod and just have it stand up on a tripod. It's also a magnet, so if you have something steel or in your car, side of the car, you can stick it onto that and it will magnetize onto it. And it also has the hook. The hook, you can place it anywhere on your backpack, or if you don't have your backpack, you can just clip it onto your belt. It solely weighs in at 5.3 ounces, so it's very lightweight. It has a 4,800 milliamp hour battery capacity, and it has a charging power of 10 watts, and it's also waterproof rated at IPX5, so you can get this thing wet and not have to worry about it. And that's also your power, how many bars you have on there. You can also see the charging port here where you put the USB-C. So let's talk about what you get when you order this. You get the FLEXTAIL carrying case, and inside, there goes the instructions. You get the little instruction booklet with all the instructions inside, and you get the unit itself along with its USB-C charging cable. So it's nice to have this little case, but I like to just keep it clipped on. So it's been over 10 minutes. I've just came to this spot in the forest over here, and when I first got here, there was mosquitoes like on me like crazy. And now that I put this on, 5 minutes, there's no mosquitoes around me. I don't know where they went. They're not here. So this thing seems to be working really well. I really like this, and I can vouch for it that it actually does work. So that's it. If you guys want one of these, link is in the description below. And yeah, on to the next one. Peace out, guys.